This is why.
In your mouth, a silent battle is happening every day, an invisible conflict that determines the fate of your smile and your health. Beyond the reach of the naked eye lies a bustling metropolis, a universe teeming with life, complexity, and hidden dangers. Welcome to the microscopic world. I am Dr. Badwan, and today we pull back the curtain on the oral microbiome. Your mouth is home to over 700 species of bacteria. It is the second most diverse microbial community in your entire body, second only to the gut. Not all residents are enemies. In fact, most are essential allies. This is the delicate balance of the oral ecosystem. Good bacteria act as guardians. They occupy space and consume nutrients, preventing more harmful visitors from gaining a foothold. But this piece is fragile. When the environment shifts through sugar, acidity, or neglect, the balance is broken. This is where the opportunistic pathogens thrive. They wait for the moment of weakness to strike and multiply. The primary weapon of these harmful bacteria is their ability to organize. They don't just stay separate, they build. They create a biological fortress known as biofilm. To the world, it's known as plaque, but microscopically, it's a masterpiece of engineering. Within this biofilm, bacteria communicate through chemical signals. They share nutrients and even exchange genetic information to survive your immune system. The structure is incredibly resilient. It acts as a shield, protecting the acid-producing bacteria from the natural neutralizing power of your saliva. Beneath this shield, the pathogens produce acid as a byproduct. This acid slowly dissolves the mineral structure of your enamel. If left unchecked, this biofilm matures. It becomes more complex, more acidic, and more damaging to the bone and tissues beneath. This is why professional care is not just about aesthetics. It's about disrupting this microscopic architecture before it causes permanent damage. Understanding this silent battle is the first step toward true health. In our next chapter, we will look at how we can win this war together. I am Dr. Badwan. Protecting your health starts at the microscopic level. Join me as we explore the future of dentistry,